Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you today? We have another box in. It just arrived and it is the AllTrue, and this is a quarterly box. It's a lifestyle box and they're an eco-friendly box, and they're also like a helping hand type company where they help local businesses and or individuals, and I think they do some various good works. I guess that's what I'll say. And they try to find us products that are all natural, but we're fixing to get in this box and see what we have. First, I'd like to say welcome to everyone. I really appreciate you being here today. If you're a new subscriber, well, I welcome you especially into the family here. And I think you will find that we have quite the variety here, and we do comment and converse with each other, become friends, and that's what we want to do. And we like to bring you products and services that you're interested in. This is a quarterly box. It is $54.95 a quarter if you're quarterly, or you can save $20 for the year and get it for about $49.95. Plus, you get to customize your complete box. Now, because I'm quarterly, I only got to pick 2 items, so I know 2 of the items I'm getting. But the rest of this box will be a surprise to me. Let's get on in here. Let's see what we have here. We have our product card, and we have our monthly postcard. I'm not sure what direction it goes, but they send one of those out every month. And our product card is an unfold. There were several choices for product number 1. I see Earth Harbor. Hey, this is what I got. This is like a complete little kit. So, and it's sealed up, of course. So let's open it up. It says, we are beach beauty minimalists on a mission. We harness the natural power of ocean and earth. We bring you non-toxic, ethical, sustainable products. We deliver personalized, plant-sourced skincare. We help you achieve skin goals through mindful rituals. We are proud, carbon neutral, and plastic negative. And inside, of course, they're all packaged in their regular packaging. Looks like you could get a 50% off with this AllTrue code if you're interested in getting any Earth Harbor right now. You're perfectly welcome to use this coupon. Well, I'm always interested in seeing what the bottles look like. Let's see if we can get them open. Oh, this is a spray. So this is a Tidal Rose. It's a spritz for your face. I love that. And I like the scent of rose. It's a pretty color. Their products look so pretty sitting out on your vanity or your dresser, I guess. This here is the Glow Juice. This is Refining Enzyme Mask. So this is a natural enzyme, and you can see it kind of shaking around in there. That ought to be interesting. Since they're an all-natural company, I'll probably try that. And then I know this next product is yellow because I've got it. But I'm going to show it to you. And it comes in this pretty bottle. And this is a Revitalizing Cleansing Oil. So this is an Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. So that's a nice little gift. I don't know what the value is of this. Usually these bottles run $30 a piece, so I'll say this is about a $90 value if we give them each a $30 value. So that's not too bad. Of course, I might verify that when I go through editing. Our next item that we could have got will be these 3. The candle, the welcome rug, and it looks like some type of diffuser. I know what I got because I was able to pick this, and I picked this. This is the welcome rug. A message of community and crafted with care. We deliver to your doorstep. Invite much missed friends and family into your home with this all-natural Artesian-made welcome mat, made with 100% natural jute fibers sourced in Calcutta. This hand-woven homeware is perfect for indoor or outdoor use. It says covered use. This project helps sustain and employ 227 artisans at the Craft Boat Artesian Collective, a cooperative with a focus on gender equity and women's empowerment. I guess they provided consistent employment through the COVID-19 in India, so that was kind of nice. So see, they're environmentally friendly and they're also locally friendly, helping people with jobs and sustainable work so they can have food on the table. But I got the rug, and isn't this pretty? Oh yeah, and I even like the way they've got it wrapped up with some little ribbon. And it's a pretty good sized little rug. It has welcome on there. Isn't that nice? Welcome. Our next item looks like we would have 3 options right there. And let's see what I got. Oh, I got the jewelry. Something that I like. That's always a good thing. It says each on there. www.eachjewels.com. So that's very lovely. It's very shiny and it's pretty. Let's see if they have anything specific to say about it. Back to basics, these dainty necklaces are made for layering, designed with adjustable length to pair with your favorite pieces, including your everyday wear and classic pendants. Delicate, minimalist, wear both together as a set or mix and match with the rest of your jewelry. The duo is hypoallergenic and free of nickel. Reuse the pouch packaging on the travel jewelry case, a minimalist card carrier made by a women-led artisan team in Vietnam. This project helped employ 96 female jewelers, 10 of which hold senior management positions. Wow, that's excellent. And this can be a little coin purse or a little card purse. You can reuse that, so it's recyclable. That's another great thing. Our next item, we have Huna skincare. I heard this from another channel that it's around an $80 value. I'm not going to unseal it because I'm not sure if I'll be keeping this or not. I know it's supposed to be a great product made with nourishing natural ingredients like organic mango, butter, pomegranate. It's sounding pretty good. Avocado, carrot, broccoli, and chia seed oil. This nourishing balm soothes dry, damaged, dehydrated skin and protects healthy skin from the elements. A non-comedogenic formula. Try it as a night treatment for dry areas such as around the elbows, knees, ankles, feet. This is a new AllTrue formula. This version of Nourished Skin Balm is fully vegan, substituting candela wax for their usual beeswax. Well, that's pretty interesting. So it's a natural product and it was specially made for AllTrue. So that's some interesting information. So I like that. And then the next item, we could have got eye mask or the head wrap. And I can tell you right now, I got the towel. It's a hair towel, I guess, to wrap up after your hair's wet. This hair towel is made with 40% bamboo and 60% recycled polyester with a button made from a coconut. Wear around the house as you get ready. The sleek design makes it much easier to wear than your shower towel. And it's extra absorbent and gives you a quicker dry hair, less breakage, and a smooth finish. Makai means toward the sea in Hawaii. A view of the core and a family-owned business, Bibekai, makes all their products with the planet in mind. All right, well, I like that. I think I might try that out. So we have a towel for our hair. And the last items that we could have got are in the purple, and we could have gotten the dryer balls, the little measuring spoons, or we could get some Grown Alchemist. So I got the measuring spoons, and it's something I can use. We all, if you cook, that is, and I do. It is a usable item. It's Kai Kitchen. They're kind of soft-like, so they must be made out of some special botanical. Let's see what they have to say. A teaspoon of that messy, delicious kitchen happiness. We've got you covered. These measuring spoons by Kitchen Innovations have been a past favorite from our seasonal add-on markets, and we decided to share them in this box. Made with silicone, and with beechwood. This set is flexible, odorless, and contains no fillers or byproducts. It's safer, non-toxic alternative to classic plastic goods, reinforced with steel core for durability. The silicone measuring spoons are heat resistant to up to 482 Fahrenheit. Wow. And if you did happen to, leave them close to the stove or something, they might not melt or burn up like some other ones might. That's kind of good to know. But according to my box, we're down to the end. So that's all we have for today. I want to thank you all for checking out the AllTrue box. And if you're interested in getting it, down in the descriptions, if there's any discounts or referral benefits, I'll put them down there. Be able to maybe get some of these items. And just to recap, this is the AllTrue box. We got the measuring spoons. We got the jewelry with the handmade case that we can use for other things. We got the Earth Harbor set with the Sunshine Dew, the Glow Juice, and Tidal Rose. That's a very nice set. And we got their special Huna that was specially made for AllTrue. And we got our little hair towel that's supposed to be better than a regular towel. And we got our rug, our welcome rug. And that's it, guys. That's all we got today. So I just want to thank you again. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm going to ask you, would you like to subscribe to us? We are having a current giveaway. It's a little battle with my daughter. It's a collaboration with Laura Wooten Unboxing. You may want to check her channel out, and you may want to check out our little battle. And you could rate us, and you could give us the code word, and you might win a gift from that giveaway. I also would like to tell you that there is a large collaboration that we're putting together with about 7 of us ladies. We'll have a giveaway, of course, on each channel, and we'll have a little mystery into this one. And that's all I'm going to say right now. Y'all just keep a lookout for it. And for today, I would like to tell you all, I wish you a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.